What's up, everybody? You're welcome to my channel, Mickey's HD. Still, I am the real Mickey. Krobia Santimark is my name. Today, I'm about to tell you something that maybe most of you have never think about it, but it is very, very important. But still, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mickey's HD, MICKYZ HD. Don't forget to subscribe to it. Like, comment, and share. Thank you. Today, I'm about to tell you the meaning of BUSIA, Busia. Busia was a prime minister of Ghana in the 19th. Busia is from Wenchi in the Bonafo region of Ghana, and Busia became a prime minister of Ghana, or he started his politics career at a tender age, and he got the name Busia. Busia is not a Ghanaian word. Busia, he is an Akan, but Busia is not an Akan word. So it was a title that the white people gave to him as a title. But Busia is an abbreviation which means best university student in Africa. BUSIA. B is best, and the U stands for university, and the S student, I in and A Africa. So this is the actual meaning of Busia. Dr. Kofi Abrefa Busia is a man. Yeah, he's a man though. There, sorry, but one thing is the Busia was not his name. The Busia is a title like giving somebody Mister or Doctor or Professor, something like that. So that is the name that the white people gave to him. He was a chef for the white people in that olden days before he got to many organization and something that he started this politics, or he became a politician, let me put it that way. So his real name was Kofi Abrefa Busia. Sorry, Kofi Abrefa Williams. So Williams is his English name. Busia was a title. Williams is his English name. So if you don't know, I, Krobia Santimark, the real Minkies, I want to carry your minds from that to know his real name. Maybe you're gonna meet it at some place, but not to get shy or go to disgrace yourself. Watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for others to also get and do the same thing as we did. Thank you. Still, I am the real Mikis.